What's up, everyone? It's Joe Bayer Hassan, and let's talk about how to crush it as a small apartment investor in today's market. We're not talking about squeezing every last penny out of your tenants, no way. Today, we're diving into the future of real estate. Sustainable upgrades that can actually save you money, attract high-quality tenants, and skyrocket your property value. Think about it. Everyone wants lower bills, right? And more renters are looking for eco-friendly living. By making a few strategic upgrades, you can position yourself as a leader in the market while boosting your bottom line. It's a win-win. In this video, I'm breaking down the top sustainable upgrades that are worth every penny. We're talking energy efficiency, water conservation, and even ways to generate your own power. Stay tuned, because this information could completely change the game for your rental property business. Let's be real, old appliances can be total energy vampires, sucking up electricity and driving up your costs. And who wants to deal with constant repairs and tenant complaints? Upgrading to Energy Star rated appliances is like giving your property an energy-efficient makeover. We're talking refrigerators that keep things cold without hogging power, ovens that heat up quickly and evenly, and dishwashers that get the job done using less water and electricity. Trust me, your tenants will appreciate the lower utility bills and you'll love the long-term savings. Plus, it's better for the environment, so you can feel good about that too. You know, I love a simple upgrade that makes a big impact, and LED lighting is it. Seriously, this is one of the easiest and most cost-effective ways to make your property more sustainable. We're talking about replacing those old, power-hungry incandescent bulbs with sleek, modern LEDs. Not only do LEDs use a fraction of the electricity, but they also last way longer. That means fewer replacements, less maintenance, and more money staying in your pocket. Plus, LEDs come in a variety of color temperatures, so you can create the perfect ambience for your property. Okay, now we're talking about taking your sustainability game to the next level, solar panels. I know it sounds like a big investment up front, but hear me out. With solar, you can actually generate your own electricity and potentially say goodbye to those pesky power bills. Imagine the possibilities. You could even make money by selling excess power back to the grid. Plus, solar panels can significantly increase the value of your property, making it even more attractive to potential buyers down the line. It's a long-term investment that can pay off big time for both your wallet and the planet. Chapter 4. Save water and money with low-flow fixtures. Water conservation is crucial, especially in areas prone to droughts. And here's the thing, saving water also saves you money on those utility bills. That's where low-flow fixtures come in. We're talking about faucets, shower heads, and toilets designed to use significantly less water, without sacrificing performance. Imagine a shower head that feels just as luxurious as a traditional one but uses less water, or a toilet that flushes efficiently without wasting gallons. Your tenants won't even notice the difference, but your water bill sure will. Chapter 5. Drought-resistant landscaping, low maintenance, high impact. Let's talk about curb appeal for a second. A lush green lawn might look nice, but it can be a major water guzzler. And let's be honest, nobody wants to spend all their time mowing and watering. That's why I love the idea of drought-resistant landscaping. We're talking about using native plants, rocks and other materials that thrive in your local climate and require minimal watering. It's a low-maintenance way to create a beautiful and sustainable landscape that saves you water and money in the long run. Chapter 6. Rainwater harvesting, capture-free water. Okay, this next upgrade is a bit more involved, but it's a game changer if you're serious about water conservation. Rainwater harvesting is exactly what it sounds like, collecting rainwater and using it for things like irrigation. Think about it. Rainwater is free. By installing a rainwater harvesting system, you can reduce your reliance on municipal water and create a sustainable source of water for your property. It's a win-win for your wallet and the environment. Chapter 7. Energy-efficient windows and insulation. Keep it cozy and save money. Let's be real, nobody wants to live in a drafty apartment with sky-high heating and cooling bills. That's where energy-efficient windows and insulation come in. Think of it like wrapping your property in a cozy blanket. Double-paned windows and proper insulation help to keep your units warmer in the winter and cooler in the summer, reducing the need for excessive heating and cooling. This not only saves you money on energy bills, but also creates a more comfortable living environment for your tenants. Chapter 8: Smart Thermostats, Tech-Savvy Temperature Control. Finally, let's talk about a tech upgrade that can make a big difference in your property's energy efficiency: smart thermostats. These devices learn your tenants' heating and cooling preferences and adjust the temperature accordingly, even when they're not home. That means no more wasted energy heating or cooling an empty apartment. Plus, many smart thermostats allow tenants to control the temperature remotely from their phones, giving them ultimate comfort and control. Outro sustainable upgrades, good for the planet, great for your wallet. There you have it, folks, my top sustainable upgrades that can transform your rental property business. Remember, these upgrades aren't just about being eco-friendly. They're about increasing your property value, attracting quality tenants, and saving money on your operating costs. It's time to ditch those outdated appliances, embrace energy efficiency, and make your properties stand out in a crowded market. Your tenants, your wallet, and the planet will thank you. As always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel for more real estate tips, and share this video with a friend who could use some sustainable inspiration.